Kokemachine for real fishing, December 8th, 2025. Here I am at the Callander Bay government dock. All I can tell you is there are sun dogs going on, a light snow happening. I can tell you it got down to -20 last night, maybe even colder, and there's a fog coming off pretty much everything. It's strange. You see trees, there's fog. You see a ditch, there's fog. You see a rock, fog. I got out the old drone, flew it around here before the snow started setting in. I didn't test the thickness per se, but I'm gonna say that last night put some ice on out here. All I can tell you is it's a totally covered area. There were some spots that looked like a little rough here or there, but basically all I saw before the snow covered the ice was just black, clear ice. The good stuff. So things are coming along out here. Today's episode is brought to you by the Archery Place. If you like archery and hunting and whatnot, and you're coming up here anyway to do some ice fishing, stop on in to the Archery Place. Tell Andy or Renee that the Kokemachine sent you. Grab yourself some arrows, some bows, some crossbows, some broadheads, some targets, you name it. It's all there, and it's a great little shop, great vibe, and Andy and Renee are fantastic people. I heard from a dude, and I'm gonna have to look up the name afterwards and tag it in here, that he saw some open water out by the Jocko area there from the lookout between Sturgeon Falls and North Bay. So keep in mind, there probably still is some thin patches out there, so you just gotta keep your eyes peeled and don't be in too much of a rush to get on the lake before it's completely set. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have yourself a great day.